Hey guys, I picked this, I just grabbed out of my stack of papers and look at this shiny gold. How fun is that? We're going to use that for something. This last one from box number 2 of Alena's patterns. No idea what it is. It's called UPI. Let's zoom in so we can see it good. So it looks like we're going to make the letter V, put 2 little dots on top, and a spiral. And she's got a little dot inside those circles. I'm not sure I want to do that. But you can line them up in a row. You can do them into a mandala. Something like that. Let's do that. My watch keeps going off. Yeah. So the question is, what do I want to do? Do I want to do it in a circle? Okay, let's try that. Too big. Something like that. And then let's do lost my pencil. There it is. Put it over here on my calendar. Let's see if that will work. If I do out, in, 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 out, in. Ah, that works. Okay, perfect. So I have figured out spacing. So wherever I put my little tick marks, I'm going to put the circle. What size pen do I want to draw with? I think an 05. I'm going to go with thin. We're going to go with thin lines. So at every one of these spots, I'm going to put a circle. That you can barely see. Maybe I need a different kind of pen. Or a little bit bigger. Maybe a little bit bigger. We'll change brands and we'll change size. That's better. Oh, well, I went really big. Okay, I went from really thin to really big. That's okay. I thought I was doing 0.1. I did 1.0. So this is a fat pen. And then we're going to go out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. My husband went to go get a smog check on our vehicle, and that's the vehicle that's due in April. And we realized that the one that's due in March, we never got the notice for, we never got the notice, which is not good. So it goes up and around like that. This paper is a little awkward to work on, but it's so pretty. I didn't want to not work on it. And then the other one goes this way. Like that. Okay. And then what do I want to do? I am just playing now. Does that look good enough? I think so. Do I want to go any further out? I don't think so. I think I'm going to leave it just like that. Do I want to do anything else with it? Do I want to shade it or color it or anything? Or do I want to just leave it as is? That I don't know. Don't know what the different mediums will do on this paper. I don't think I want a shade. Maybe, let me try the back and see what that just rubs right off. I don't know that that's gonna work. No, that's just gonna rub right off. Okay, how about, that looks like brown. How about a blue? Blue is fair, kind of turning green. That's a better color. Okay, let's try that color on this side, and I'm going to do it in here. Like this. Okay, and maybe a bit of white pencil. Prismacolor. Let's try Prismacolor. Okay. Should we do the inner points too? I think so. We'll just do all the pointy bits. Ah, that's what it needed. Something in the middle. All right. I think I'm good with that. Let's stop there. We're going to sign it. And it's called UPI. UPI. Okay. I think I'm done for the day. That was a quick one. I like it on the gold. That makes it very sparkly and shiny. And I like the contrast. I like the white on the gold. That's good to know that that worked really well. All right, you guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And I will see you on the next video, which will be, well, you'll see, if you're watching the Book Nook series, you'll see one tomorrow and on Sunday. But otherwise, if you're not following that, I will see you again on Monday. I will, yeah, you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.